Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my research and if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the Nifty, how it has closed on Thursday. Nifty ended up in the positive 14,867.35. 176.65 points in the positive, 1.20% in the positive. Opened around 14,798.40, well above the previous closing. Low went around 14,692.45. High went around 14,883.20. Let's go to our prediction review. As we know that our data is clearly indicated 50% of the positive side, and the averages also indicated the all three results are possible. Because of absolute frequency we don't have due to the first day of the fresh month, so we don't have absolute frequency, which means both are evenly positive. If we know that evenly positive means all three results are possible with evenly poised result percentage, which means 33.33% chances of closing either side of bullish, bearish, or in the flat. So it is not going to be that much easy to trade, but we know that we have certain rules and we can able to follow, because the data is clearly shown positive has a good chance of 50%, and the data is also opened exactly the same as per our level, which is, we know that anything opens above the volatile level 1, which is a extreme bullish market. So the market has opened above that level, so which is a good indication for us to trade on the extreme bullish, and the stop loss need to be maintained. You know that the level of overall average stop loss 14,667, so 14,667.48 is the stop loss, and it is too far away. It is not even came close, even not even touch the previous closing that as well. Normally we know that anything opens in the particular side and not able to break the previous closing, it is still on the same side of level. For example, bullish, the market opened in the positive and not cutting the previous closing, it is still in the bullish up to positive or the bullish level. So it is exactly that is what happened. Has broken the bullish level almost in the bullish average, and the R10 exactly matching high as well, and the lower side also matching those two levels matching. So we don't have any fresh target so far as well in the 3-point range, both in the 3-point range. That is the beauty, and it is pretty well. It has opened in the level because of the absolute frequency all evenly poised. It has fall down but not broken the previous closing, and it has gone towards to the positive. That is what happened exactly. So it has fall down and then gone slowly towards to positive side. So it is a good day for us as well. We also traded, but we didn't hold it too much. We know that the levels are going to be like that, and as per the pre-opening, we know the stop loss is not got it. It is in the extreme bullish level, but there are certain options we need to trade in the opening itself. We bought it. We bought it in the range of, because we know that the volatile is still possible, because due to volatile means the evenly poised results, which has that 33.33% chances. So it might fall down towards negative, it might go towards to positive, or it may stay in the flat. So that is the reason we bought it, both 14,850 call option as well as 14,750 put option. That it has went down 14,700 put option, and we exited somewhere. We bought it somewhere in the range of 40 odd point, because the pre-opening it has opened up no, we bought it somewhere around 2023 only, because that time it is after the market opened only. We asked to bought it somewhere around 30, but we exited somewhere around 70 odd points, keeping stop loss, and we got we got exit. And at the same time, some zero calls also given. We know that even if it is goes wrong, that is when, because due to a F&O closing, that one particular zero call, it has went zero. And we know that the CPR is telling that the market will fall down towards to this particular level. So that is where we wanted to exit 14,750 put option, somewhere in the range of between 14,742 to 14,707. So we exited somewhere in the stop loss range, because we kept it. We know that the market might reach 0.79%, and it has fulfilled in the opening itself at the range of 14,806, around 0.7, and then the market has started to fall down. See the high at that point of time, it has high reached, so that is what I marked out, and it has started to fall down towards, so each and every time it has kept a low, which is giving the headache, because market is trying to go bullish. If it is moving towards to that level, means it will go up to even 15,011. But we know that the CPR is like this, means the market will try to reach 14,742 to 14,707. So that is the reason we holding that 14,750 put option, and we asked to exit reminder given each and every time around that, or keeping stop loss. Once if it is reaching that particular level, you need to exit or you need to keep stop loss. But I specifically asked to keep stop loss, because the range of CPR as well as our data is also matched quite a bit, 14,741 and 14,703, which is almost typically same as per the CPR. You can check 14,742 and 14,707. So it is quite typically the same levels as per the CPR and our levels also. So that is the reason we wanted to keep those things in track. See, R3 and R2 is almost the same, 14,709 and 14,741, and our pivot is also in the CPR range. So we wanted to trade on those levels, and we want to keep exit, because once if it is exiting, means that is fine. Keeping stop loss and trading is always good, and we kept a stop loss at 55. It has gone up each and every time, and after that we asked to increase the stop loss from 65 to 70. It got it stop loss around 70 and came to zero. As we know, the market later stage, it has gone. And one of our customers also, he bought it 10 lots in the 14,850 call option 00, and he has exited some profit 7 rupees. He bought it and exit somewhere around 20, because we know that the extreme bullish stop loss is not it, so it has a good chance to recover. So that is the reason we wanted to buy this particular call option. Unfortunately, what happens is, I specifically kept asking. Normally we don't want to keep stop loss, but sometimes we used to keep stop loss. We kept stop loss, and in that stop loss got it. But this particular level, whoever not give put the stop loss, means it has ended up with 60. They would have made profit, because without stop loss also we wanted to keep are high risk traders. That is what, because most of the time if you keep stop loss, it always hits your stop loss in the F&O closing day, or even the options always happens. And this is the prediction for Monday, which given in between the market period of time at that particular total point of time around 12 p.m, because so that we can able to keep some. There are some warning signal for the bullish also, and at the same time there are Monday chances to fall down from that bullish level towards to negative side as well. So both side, but as per the data, there is no resistance level as well, only two support levels. There is no resistance level, you can check. There is no resistance level, but we can find this resistance level with the support level help. So S1 is indirectly proportionate to the resistance level, so exactly the sign will change. So 1.60 is the resistance level 1. So this is the way you can find out. So we found out that, and we given that we also wanted to buy the next week contract of uh, 15,000 call option somewhere around 40 rupees, and then 14,450 put option somewhere around 50 rupees. So we both put together, if we holding for a 1 week tenure, then you can have the good chances of making high profit. So that one combination also given in between. Once profit comes, you can exit as well. That is the second part, which is, for example, if the profit sizes goes up from 40 to somewhere 70 to 80, so you can exit with the profit, and remaining amount is a small piece of low risk, so you can take that low risk towards to 1 week time. If it is works, you will end up with a huge profit. Otherwise, that small margin amount will go loss as well. So once the high and low matching, each and every time it has matched in our data, so that is the thing. Even high also matched initially, and then low also matched. So low matched, after the low match, we know it is going to be bull run because of the extreme bullish stop loss is not got it. And then next it has started to go towards the bullish and broken this 14,814 and reached 14,880 odd points, and went higher and higher. And we bought it some more put option as well. Whoever exited with the profit, that particular clients, I asked to take risk traders, only those who exited with the profit, the same you need to buy at once again 14 to 15, not a fresh call it is. So the same people who have bought and asked to wait for till 3 p.m., because we know that if it is works, it might go and hit in a huge way, some 10 to 20 times, something like that. There is a chance of it. So that is the reason we took that. And the first time bank nifty call also given, but the stop losses got it. We know it has a chance, but still we need to keep stop loss because of the bullish is still intact. So that is the reason, but it has hit the stop loss. And then this is a small trade which I asked to buy it somewhere around 5, and soon after it has got 810, so I asked to exit, and somewhere around 9 to 10. And this is the chart which our client has booked profit. It is a not that much good day. He has made some 7,000 rupees profit, but we would have made much more profit than that. And I asked to exit this particular call option somewhere around 70, because we know that the data is bullish, but still it has a chances to fall down, so we can take a chances in this particular, so we can go for another particular segment of combination. Even if anyone wants to hold both, still they can hold those combination as well, because it has a good chance to end up with a huge profit. The combination need to be wait for a 1 week, but still if anyone wants to book, they can exit. That is the call given. Even both put together, if anyone exit also, it is trading and the profit of 750 rupees. And then I asked to buy one more combination, which is that 14,600 PE for 38 to 39, and then 15,200 call option for 26 to 27. Due to why? Because there is a warning signal for bullish on Monday, as well as the bearish for up to 200 to 240 points. There is a chance to go down after the gap up opening. Even if the market is opens 100 points to 200 points also, the market is opens, then it has a chance to fall down from that to 200 to 240, which means total put together 300 to 340 points. We can see a trend on that particular Monday. There is a chance, 80% chances are there. The 20% chance it might trade in a different manner. So that 25% we cannot predict at this point of time. We can predict, but still the momentum of it after the pre-opening, and then how the low and high matching, according to that only we can able to predict. But this is the Monday level, which how it is going to be. And we holding that these two calls, which is 15,200 as well as 14,600 put together for a 1 week tenure also, because it has a good chance to go in a big way. And this is the data which indicates Monday. So we don't have any resistance level, so previous closing is there, and support level 2 which is indicating negative, and weightage, we don't have any weightage on the positive because we know we don't have any resistance level, only the support level. So both indicating negative, and the average is also indicating negative, so which means 75% chances of negative side. So downside is only 75% chances are showing, but the absolute frequency indicating 0:1, which is a volatile market. So, and then due to the bullish volume signal, the market might have opened in the gap up somewhere around 100 or 200 or maybe 75, 150, any price it may open, but after that it will kept high and started to fall down. That is what the day is projecting. We need to wait how it is going to be. These are all the support and resistance levels. We don't have any resistance levels, only the downside target is there. So if the market is opens in the positive, which means anything in the average level, anything 237 plus 10 points, so anything 247 points, 247 points below that level, any level the market is open, if it is not breaking that stop loss of 15,115.23, then the market is having chances to fall down. So this 15,115.23 is the key level. So this particular level is not breaking, the market is having chances to fall down. If that 15,115.23 is breaking, then the market will go to the next level of 15,000 to 24.17. So we need to note down, this level is not breaking, market will come down towards to the negative side, bearish up to bearish open target level to bearish level, those two having the chances somewhere around 240 to 260. But still we need to check out this level is breaking or not, because the overall average is not breaking, then the market having chances to recover as well due to the extreme bullish stop loss. And how the power value is indicating? Power value is indicating actually anything above this particular level, market is on the bullish. So we need to keep those things. But still, as per the data, even if it is goes to any high, if the high is matching, then the fall might be towards to negative target 2, which is 248 points. That is the notable thing. We can't just keep things slightly, because we can see some negative up to 240 to 250 points on that particular day as well. And one more hint which I got in this, actually the data before the Tamil Nadu election, it is showing that the symbol of some particular result, the DMK, because the flag it's resembling DMK. So I might having some kind of a guessing, 120 162 to 175 seats the DMK will lose in this assembly election. I'm guessing 170, 171 seat, 171 seat they will lose, but in between 162 to 175, this is what the secret design is telling. We can see, because we were not sure, there is no data specifically for that, but the indirect designs are telling that. So we can wait till how the election is going. These are all the basic rules. You can check out the basic rules as well. These are all the basic rules. I have shown this so many times. And as per the exchange Nifty, it is traded somewhere around 15,000 range. Let's see how the market is going to be on Monday. Thank you.